Yeah, help him.
Sorry, guys. Hang on one second. Let me get another grip here. Hang on, baby. Okay. Hang on. No, you ain't going back down. You grab that part there on. Oh, you don't fall. We're good.
Oh, bless its heart.
What's sorry, girl?
Hi, Ginger.
I just couldn't imagine that somebody had left her out in the open.
So I said, we can't keep this dog because we've got a house full of cats. We can't keep a dog.
Oh, I hear puppies.
Okay.
Do you hear them? I just heard one, yeah.
You hear her? Hi, Mama.
Mama, no, 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 no. She's standing in the upper window. She's...
You want me to go out?
Hey, Mama. Shh.
It's okay.
Oh, my second one. Oh, look at them, guys.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'll take some. See that? Oh my God, look at Chucky!
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Are we seeing the street dog grin?
When we saw that first smile, that's when everybody's heart just burst. He was lying under the dumpster and he was just defeated. He wouldn't look at us. Dogs in that situation almost are ready to give up. We rescue the worst of the worst off the streets of Memphis. We just wanted to be able to let him know that he was worthy and everything was going to be good.
Those little scars will heal. You are a beautiful boy.
Before he trusted any of us, he trusted Orange Puppy.
Even if he was just going outside to use the bathroom, he wanted to take Orange Puppy with him.
Okay, you want to walk around with your pup? We're going to go for a few days vacation. We're going to try out to stay in a real boy home. In his first house. Oh, sweetie.
Most favorite thing in the world.
It's okay. Yeah. The emergency. So I'm naming him Champ because I told him that if you live, you'll be my little champ.
In addition to the bite wounds, somehow he had head trauma.
Yeah, I was talking with the vet last night in the middle of the night. That's normally done by humans. Oh, you're gonna make it now. I feel it. I feel it.